What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Casino Connect Tambayan, where we talk about everything and anything casino related. I'm John, your ever-reliable host, and today I've got someone back with me who's been missing from the last episode. Welcome back, Mark.
Kamusta, mga kawintropa? Sorry kung na-miss nyo ako sa last episode, ha? Pero nandito na ako ulit, ready na mag-share ng mga exciting updates. John, salamat sa pag-welcome back.
Of course. It's been a little lonely here without you, Mark, but I'm glad you're back. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, the top 5 most popular online casinos in the world.
Oo, exciting too. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano ang mga pinakamalaki at pinakapopular na online casinos ngayon, stick around.
Before we jump into the list, let's quickly talk about what makes an online casino popular. Of course, you've got your user experience, how easy it is to navigate the site, then there's variety of games, because who wants to play the same thing all the time, right?
Tama ka, John. Kailangan din ng security kasi ayaw natin ng mga scam. At syempre, bonuses, yung mga welcome bonuses na minsan may kasamang promotions para mas maraming chances maglaro.
Exactly. And customer service, make sure the casino's got your back. Alright, Mark, let's dive into the list now, shall we? Number 5, 888 Casino. This casino has been around for ages, and they're one of the oldest and most trusted platforms online. With a variety of games from slots to poker, and a great welcome bonus, it's no surprise that 888 Casino is still a top choice for many.
Sobrang reliable ng 888 Casino, bro. Matagal na sila sa industry, so siguradong safe at legit sila. Hindi lang yun, may magandang customer support pa sila kung may mga tanong ka.
Number 4, Betway Casino. This one is popular for its sleek design and seamless gaming experience. Plus, it's integrated with sports betting, so if you're into both, this casino has it all.
Oo nga, Betway is perfect for sports fans and casino gamers alike. Para kang nasa Vegas na, pero nasa bahay lang. Magaan ang app nila at madaling gamitin.
Number 3, LeoVegas. Known as the king of mobile casinos, LeoVegas offers an incredible mobile experience for players who like to game on the go.
Kaya perfect ito para sa mga laging on the go, di ba? Kasi sobrang smooth ng mobile platform nila. So kahit saan ka pa, pwede kang maglaro at mag-enjoy.
Number 2, PokerStars Casino. If you love poker, this one's for you. PokerStars has long been a go-to for poker enthusiasts, and they've expanded into a full casino experience, including slots and table games.
Ay, naku! Sa PokerStars, hindi lang poker ang bida. Pero kung poker player ka, talagang dito ka sa PokerStars. Ang daming tournaments at ang taas ng rewards.
And finally, number 1, Bet365 Casino. One of the most popular online casinos worldwide. Bet365 is known for its wide selection of games, a user-friendly platform, and outstanding customer service.
Bet365 talaga ang pinakapaborito ng marami. Kasi talagang lahat ng laro, andyan, from slots to live casino games, and syempre sports betting. Plus, madali ka makakontak kung may concerns ka.
There you have it, folks, the top 5 most popular online casinos in the world. These casinos are trusted by players all over the globe and offer a great gaming experience.
At kung gusto nyo ng safe, fun, at exciting na experience sa online casinos, ito ang mga platforms na pwede nyong subukan. Pero syempre, don't forget to play responsibly.
That's right, Mark. Always play within your limits and enjoy the games for what they are, entertainment.
Tama. Huwag kalimutang mag-enjoy habang naglalaro. Ang tunay na panalo ay ang pagkakaroon ng saya at responsibilidad.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you like this episode, make sure to follow us and share it with your friends.
Salamat sa pag-tune in, mga kawintropa. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na episode, at don't forget to follow us on social media for more tips and updates.
Take care, and may the odds be in your favor. Peace out, everyone.
Paalam, mga kawintropa.